The AutoZone Fix Finder's top reasons your check engine light may be on. Number 9. Your spark plug wires need replacing. So you've been to AutoZone and our free Fix Finder service has revealed that your spark plug wires need to be replaced. What's the next step? What are spark plug wires? Spark plug wires move the electricity to your spark plugs to help them provide the spark that helps to start your engine. What causes spark plug wire wear and tear? Your spark plug wires will eventually wear down over time due to usage and become unable to carry the electricity needed to help the spark plug spark. Where are spark plug wires located? You'll find them connected to your spark plugs, which in most cases are near the top of the engine threaded to the cylinder head. What are the symptoms of bad spark plug wires? Symptoms of worn spark plug wires include poor engine performance, poor fuel economy, and catalytic converter damage. How difficult is it to individually replace worn-out spark plug wires? In most cases, replacing your worn-out spark plug wires is a fairly straightforward procedure. On our scale of difficulty from 1 to 10, we'd give this job a 3. Replacing your wires usually only requires new wires specific to your vehicle, as well as a handful of tools which you can find at AutoZone. What if you don't replace them? Your engine will experience a variety of problems, such as poor engine performance, damage to your catalytic converters, and poor fuel economy. Now that you know what to do, take the next step and stop by AutoZone for the right parts, tools, and friendly advice. And if you need a repair shop, we can help you with that too.